Moola Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Moola are in the description if you want to check it out. Moola is a robo-advisor that aims to make investing accessible and straightforward for everyday investors, especially in the UK and Europe. It uses an AI-driven platform to create customized portfolios based on your risk preferences, goals, and financial situation. The platform focuses on long-term investing with a strong emphasis on low-cost, diversified portfolios, primarily using exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Moola stands out by offering a unique mobile-friendly interface that caters to both new and seasoned investors. The main feature of Moola is its automated portfolio management, which makes it easy for investors to get started. Once you complete a risk questionnaire, Moola allocates your funds into a diversified portfolio designed to meet your financial goals. The platform offers a variety of investment strategies, from conservative to more aggressive options, and ensures that your portfolio is rebalanced regularly to maintain optimal asset allocation. Moola's fee structure is simple and transparent, with a flat management fee starting at 0.75% annually. For investors with higher balances, the fees drop to 0.35%. Moola is best suited for UK and European investors who are looking for a user-friendly robo-advisor that automates the investing process. It's a great fit for people who want to invest for the long term, but don't want to manage their portfolio themselves. The minimum investment is just £1, which is incredibly accessible. However, the downside is that Moola is relatively new to the market, so it doesn't have as long of a track record as some of the more established robo-advisors. Additionally, while Moola offers a solid range of ETF-based portfolios, those looking for more specialized investment options may find it limiting. Overall, Moola is an excellent choice for beginner investors or those who prefer a low-maintenance investment strategy with the benefit of automation. If you're interested in giving it a try, be sure to check out the links in the description. Let me know what you think of Moola in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more robo-advisor reviews.